Now, typically you don't want to see a 911 like this, but in this case, it's for good reason. This car will be getting our full STEK transformation, which includes window tint, PPF, and our full ceramic coating. So let's see what tailored auto styling can do today. White is a very difficult base color to start with when doing a full color change. Tailored auto styling is going to take it to the next level, remove the rear quarter glass, and get that extra clean install. For an extra layer of protection, this car will be getting a 70% VLT in our next series infused with graphene, which is a ceramic tint, keeping the interior safe from UV rays and the driver extra cool. Something else that this car is going to be getting is our Dyno Top windshield protection film, which is a great option for cars with expensive windshield, sensors, or your weekend driver, which in this case has all three. Adding our final coat ceramic coating increases the hydrophobic, self-healing, and UV-resistant properties of the DYNOred PPF. It adds an additional 2 years to our 10-year warranty against yellowing, delamination, bubbling, and cracking, for a total of 12 years. With this, Connor can drive his car without the worries of daily debris from the road and enjoy long drives knowing his car is protected with the full STEK tree.